Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to plan a museum exhibition using Airtable, your indispensable tool for the 2025 season. First off, create your base. This is where you'll be storing all of the information about your exhibition. Think of it as your digital workspace. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for your entire project. Now, let's create a table for your artifacts. Start by naming the columns according to the information you'll be storing, like artifact name, origin, date, description, and so on. The reason we do this is to have a comprehensive overview of every piece in your exhibition right at your fingertips. The next step is to link your artifacts to their respective artists. This is done by creating another table named Artists and linking it to your artifacts table. This helps us because it allows us to easily trace the artist behind each artifact, fostering a more organized approach. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a calendar view. This is a timeline of your exhibition planning process, from start to finish. It's as simple as clicking on the plus next to your table tabs and selecting Calendar. This step is vital as it allows us to visualize our timeline, keep track of deadlines, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Next up, we're setting up a form view. This allows you to collect information from your team or contributors easily. You can customize the questions to fit your needs, and the responses will be directly stored in your base. The reason we do this is it facilitates communication and ensures no information slips through the cracks. Lastly, share your base with your team. Airtable allows you to invite collaborators and assign them specific roles. You can even set up view-only links for stakeholders. This is important as it ensures everyone is on the same page, promoting transparency and efficiency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully planned a museum exhibition using Airtable. Remember, the key lies in organization and communication. With Airtable, you've got both covered. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning.